Hello guys, welcome to Street Tech, and today we are going to test the speed of these two mobile phones. So as you can see, we have the Huawei P20 here, the newest flagship phone of Huawei, and we have the iPhone X here. So they look pretty much the same, they look like a brother to me, and the only difference is just the top notch on the Huawei P20 is smaller than the iPhone X. The back is pretty much looks the same as well, with the dual lens camera and the flash on here. But we're not gonna focus on the look, but because we're focusing on the speed of these two mobile phones. So basically these two mobile phones are really good in every aspect of a smartphone, but we will focus on the speed. As I said, we will start the speed test by, of course, we need to turn off both mobile phones, and we will turn them on at the same time. So that's a switch button of the phone, so I'm gonna press them 1, 2, 3, go. And we will see which one will turn on quicker than the other. So Huawei, it popped up the logo quicker than the Apple, but we will see which one will be the winner in terms of booting it up. Okay, so as you can see, iPhone actually did it really well. It's really quick, just a matter of seconds, and it's done really quick. Okay, so next time now, what we can do is, I'm just gonna unlock everything. So the iPhone won on the you know, switching it back on, and and then we will see the score of it. That to your mobile phone. We are going to test the actual Antutu benchmark as we normally do. So Antutu benchmark can test everything of this certain mobile phone. But before that, of course, we have the Huawei P20, which has the new Silicon Kirin 970. It is an octa-core which runs with 2.4 GHz and the 1.8 GHz. So that is quite quick when you put them all together. And the Apple itself, it has the A11 Bionic. It is hexa-core, 2.39 GHz, so that is really quick as well. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna try to do the test now. And we are using of course, the Antutu benchmark, so we'll see that. But to make sure there is no open program in the background, I'm gonna show it to you. So the iPhone hasn't got anything, and the P20 as well. Okay, so we are opening the Antutu benchmark now in 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so the iPhone actually opened it really easily than the other, and we're gonna test it out in 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so it's now testing it. Testing everything. So we have the iPhone 10 in the bottom, and we have the Huawei on top. If you can see the Huawei, can you? I mean, the Huawei isn't too bad. I mean, it should be, but I feel like it's really sticky when you move it. Okay, we will see the score of it after a while, and we're just gonna keep an eye on it, okay? Okay, so the iPhone finished it really quick, and I'm just waiting for these P20. I'm gonna swap it. P20 to finish as well, so it's now 70%, nearly there. Okay, so it's done. Alright, so I'm just gonna show it to you. So that's gonna be the total score of it, and I would say the iPhone X, it has 223,741, which is, of course, that's the winner. And then you have the 206 and 610 with the Huawei P20. So the Huawei P20, it has 4 gig of RAM, while the iPhone X, it has 3 gig of RAM. So if we can look at it, the difference between the two, the RAM on the bottom here, that is the memory there. So you can see here that the iPhone still, you know, won on that. CPU, yeah, and then the UX itself, that one. So CPU, in terms of the CPU itself, the P20 won. It has higher number than the iPhone 10. UX iPhone 10, but the 3D, yeah, I would say 3D somehow it's you know, something to do with the AR and gaming and stuff like that as well, so GPU. But the iPhone 10 is winner on that one. And yeah, I'm surprised about that. I thought that the P20 will be a lot higher than the iPhone X, but in this test, that is the result of the Antutu benchmark, so it's really quick. I would say, is it worth it buying the iPhone X? I mean, if you have that money, of course you can buy that. And yeah, well, I'm just surprised. Yeah, I'm not expecting that at all, but yeah, so that's going to be the result of it. So we have the iPhone X and the Huawei P20 result of the Antutu benchmark. So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna do anything now because we know that the iPhone X still a lot quicker than the Huawei P20. Okay, so anyway, that's the result of the speed test and Antutu benchmark of this two mobile phone, and the iPhone X is the winner. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and if you have any question, don't forget to put that in the comment section below. Okay, so thank you for watching and goodbye.